this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Please excuse the filming here. I've now got problems. My camera was out of charge. I thought I'd charged it, ready to do this video. Hadn't, so I'm having to do it now on my iPad, which I don't normally film here in this location, you know, on my iPad. So yeah, I apologise. Anyway, I want to crack on and do the giveaway for my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. So thank you so much to all those lovely people who entered it. I'm just having a look. We've had 607 comments, so 600 people entered. If any comments are entered twice, the comment picker won't include them twice. So, you know, if there were actually only 600 and 7 people had, well, you know, 7 of those were duplicate comments, they won't be entered twice, if that makes sense. So what I have done, as you know, we've got the first prize, which is the 10 digis of the person's choice. And then we have the second prize, which was this one here with my Paris Daisy kit, and then the third prize was this using my memory lane kit. And then what I've also done for those people who don't get picked, or you know, indeed those people who do get picked as well, I've also put a little freebie up on my website. So these are just some little invoices. Now it's a 12-page download. The reason it's so big is because obviously the invoices, they take up more or less a whole page, and they're all based from the same piece, which is dated from 1884, some of my own personal ephemera, and I have obviously just altered it. So if I just quickly skim through the pages that you will get, just so as you see, and oops, oh gosh, come on. So there's a kind of muted version, and then I also have included a bit further in some much brighter ones and more vibrant coloured ones, so that you can choose for the project that you're making which ones that you would rather use. So as you can see, these ones are now much more vibrant in colour, you know, which I think is quite nice if you're doing a more vibrant coloured journal. And again, obviously you can coffee dye all of these. They look really pretty once they're coffee dyed. And oops, let's quickly show you those other couple of big ones. So again, in the brighter colours, which just are so pretty. And then what you also get is on the second to last page, you get a few of them shrunken down into more like journaling card sizes. So you've got 4 of the bright colour ones and 4 of the muted ones. So again, you know, just ideal for just cutting them out and making little journaling cards. You know, or to put on the front of a little small flip out or something like that. And then the final page is a coffee dyed background page, so that you can then just back all of, excuse me, I had been printing off some other digis. So you can then obviously print off your blank coffee dyed page with your other ones, you know, back to back. So that is all on my website, shabbydabbydoodah.co.uk, and it's under the freebies. I will quickly show you that in a second so you know where to access those. So hopefully there's something there for everybody, even if your name doesn't get pulled. So yep, that's there on my website. So if we do it in like reverse order, so the, I guess, third prize would be for this one. And what I'll do, now I'm having problems, as I say, because I'm using my iPad. So I'm going to have to lift this slightly, excuse my fingers, so that you can see what I'm doing. I don't want you to think I'm cheating or anything. So what I've done, this is the video here, and I'm just going to select, oops, the URL, and then we put it into the random comment checker, like that. Based on, yeah, it says filter duplicate users, so that's all working, and it will. Okay, amount of unique commenters is 549, so that's kind of that. And then if I click start, it's going through the comments. Okay, so the first prize, i.e. not the first prize, but this one here, the memory lane kit, that is going to, I don't know whether you pronounce your name Rosalie, Rosalie Fine. So congratulations to you. If you could email me at my Etsy, that would be fantastic, and let me know your, full address, then I can post that out to you. So well done to you. Then we will do the second one, which I don't know whether, oh, pick another winner, look. The button's right there. So the next one is for this here, which is the Paris Daisy kit. So again, we just do pick another winner. Start, and it's obviously still got that same URL in there. Oh, it's Dee Dee. Well done, Dee Dee. I'm really pleased for you. Dee Dee has a channel and I watch her often, so that's so lovely. So well done to you, Dee Dee. I probably have got your address, but it might be best to email me because, to be honest, I'm hopeless with my emails. So whether I'll be able to actually find your address is a whole nother thing. So well done to you. I'm really pleased. So that's Dee Dee for that second prize. And then the other prize, which is for the 10, choices of your choice for the digital files from my shop, then I'm going to just click pick another winner. Let me click start. Oh no, I can't pronounce that name. Oh, right. I don't know how you pronounce this. Ajo Podium. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Anyway, congratulations to you. Really pleased for you. So sorry I can't pronounce your name properly. Yep, so if you contact me at my shop, so email me at my Etsy, with your 10 choices from my shop, you can pick anything you like from the digital items and include your email address where you would like them emailed to. I can email those files across to you, and hopefully you can have fun, and obviously they're yours then, to keep forever and use as much as you like, including in products, that you sell. I just ask that you don't sell the files themselves. So well done to you. Really, really pleased for you. Thank you. Oh, so it's come up white now. I don't know why it was grey. Oh, there we go, because my mouse was over it. So congratulations to you. I'm just going to quickly show you where those freebies are. So if you go to my Shabbydabbydoodah website and then click on the little thing saying freebies here, and then down here, some fun goodies for your enjoyment. You've got the background pages that obviously I gifted for Christmas. So if you haven't downloaded those, obviously feel free to grab yourself a set of those as well. And then here, obviously, these are the invoice printables that obviously I've just shown. So again, if you just obviously click on those, and then, they'll come up in your PDF. I can't obviously say whether they will open straight up on your computer, or, different computers may work differently. It might just give you an option to save them. I don't know how other people's computers are set up. But they're there obviously for your use and your enjoyment. So I just kind of shrink them on the screen so you can see them. And then you can obviously print them off and use them again in any work that you either sell or keep yourself. Yeah, so it was just my way of saying thank you so much to everyone who entered, and thank you so much for your support over the time. And thanks also to everyone for mentioning other channels that they watch. I know that some people obviously mentioned larger channels, but there were also lots of smaller channels included in there. So yeah, really, really nice. And hopefully we'll all find, some other lovely, lovely channels to watch that we maybe didn't know about all before. So thank you so much. Congratulations to you ladies. And I hope you all enjoy the freebies. And yeah, thank you so much again. I really appreciate everyone's support, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks then. Bye.